Hello friends, this is Arun and welcome in my channel of Photoshop, Photography, Lightroom as well as video editing tutorial. Today I will teach you a very special topic. This is my website design. You can design this website in Photoshop CS3, CS4, CS5 and you can see here. So what the basically idea behind it. So this type of work and this type of web page is called flat website design or minimalist website design. So it is very easy to understand. It is nothing but all about blending options in Photoshop CS6. So you can see here this beautiful wallpaper, this beautiful web template. These are menu bar, headers, details, then footer. So let's see how to get this type of result in Photoshop CC. So firstly make a new document by going to file, then click on new, then in pixel I want width 1020, then height 1200 and resolution 72 and color mode RGB, then click on OK. Now I have this document. Now I will make guides. To make guides you have to firstly show the rulers. If you are not able to show the rulers, then click on rulers. Now it is height. If you again click on ruler, then it will come again. So these are the rulers. So I will make a guide. Firstly I will make a guide for whenever I am moving by dragging this line to the document, you will see the pixel dimension. So I want about 86, then next I want about 500, then next I want around 950, 946, 950. That is sufficient. So now go to text tool. I want firstly I will zoom it. Now I will put text here like Arun's creation. Click on OK, then go to text option tools, Merit Pro. I want okay, that's nice. And color I want 505050. Then click on OK, click on OK, position it. That's nice. Okay, now I want to add the buttons for like home, about, and all these buttons. Firstly I have to reduce the size of this. Now 30 is working better. Okay, now another I want to add home. Now reduce the size for this about 18, about 14. I will make a new guide also so that I can align all text in the same line. Okay, now make 2-3 copies of same layer. Now I will rename all these. I will make one more guide about 50 pixel from the left side and 50 pixel around 50 pixel from the right side. That's nice. Now I will rename all these. This is first is home, then about, then this is service, okay, now it is location, it is about contact, okay, that's nice. And I will go to home, then make a new layer, choose this rectangle, round rectangle, then I will zoom it, I don't want any stroke, move it down, now right click on here, go to blending options, now stroke I want 1 pixel, 0.5, I will try 0.5, I have to put only one, then reduce its opacity. Now drop shadow 90 degree, unmark this, use global 90 1 0, okay, I will try 2, then inner shadow 90 degree 0 2, drop shadow I want to reduce the opacity, that's nice. And go to gradient overlay, try this transparent, this gray to transparent, choose white here, opacity 46, that's nice. Now this is for my menu bar, now I will put it into one folder, choose one layer uppermost, then click on this folder, then you will get, now rename it menu bar, now select all layers, move it to, drag it to menu bar, now I have this, I think the letter should be small, only one letter should be capital. Home, it's looking nice. Similar contact, similarly service, similarly about, okay, now choose this line tool, firstly I have to active the guides, this is the divide portion in between this menu bar and this portion, so choose this line tool, pixel 2, then I want 1, okay, now I will drag a line from this to this. Sh Press shift on the keyboard, then drag this mouse. That's nice. Now just for a second I will hide the guides. Now reduce its opacity. That's very nice. That is very sleek. Now I will move this line to this menu bar. So then I will put a wallpaper here. So for this I have this wallpaper. Now I will drag directly to this on this web page. Now I want size big. Now make it center, make it align with this background. Select both layers by pressing Ctrl click. Now align. Now press shift on the keyboard. Now move this. Now select this layer. I want to cut the portion of this wallpaper around these guides. So make it active. Now go to select, then firstly I have to control click there. Now the selection is there. Now go to select, then transform selection. Now I will transform it. This is my guide and I want to put it under these guides. Okay, now click on OK. Now directly hit mask. Now the mask is applied on this image. Okay, now again make a new layer, put it background, put it to backside. Now go to this ellipse marquee tool. Now take a selection from here like this. Now fill it with black. Control D to deselect. Now position it. Reduce its opacity. Feather it. Go to filter, noise, Gaussian blur. Click on OK. Reduce the opacity. 72 is working better for this image. So that's nice. Control T. Now click on OK. So see the effect. You can increase or decrease the opacity, whatever you want. This is before and this is after. And you can put also a stroke to this wallpaper. I will try one. I will try gradient. One pixel. -90°. See the effect. That's very nice. Now make a new group. Now name it body. select both layers, drag it to the body part. Now I have body. This is my menu bar. Now I have more 3 wallpapers, and then I will drag these 3 wallpapers to this project. Now click on OK, click on OK, then click on OK. Now select this layer. Now transform it. Okay. Click on OK. Now select these 3 layers by pressing Control click, Control click. Now press Control T. Now I can transform these 3 layers, these 3 images together. Now position it. Now click on OK. Now move another. So firstly I will make a new guide so that I can make it in, move it this. Okay. Now select these 3 layers, Control click, Control click. Now Control T, again transform these. That's very nice. Now the make it align. That's very nice. Now right click on here, go to blending options, then stroke 1 pixel. I want reduce its opacity to 50. Click on OK. Right click on here, copy layer style, paste on there, paste on here. That's nice. Select these 3 layers, move to body. So I will put text here. Now choose here text tool, drag the selection. In this portion I want to put my text. Okay. Now click on OK. That's nice. Now again take a selection like this, put your text here. Okay. Now position it. Now make 3 copies of same by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl J. Now move it to here. Now move it to here. Okay. Now I will go to body. Now I will change. I think I should change the stroke to something like firstly 5. I will try 505050. Okay. .25 opacity. I want drop shadow also, about 90 to 0 5. That's nice. Again go to stroke, 10, 8, 20. Okay, now right click on here, copy layer try, paste, then paste. That's nice. Now I will move these 3 layers, Ctrl Z. I will select these 3 layers by pressing Ctrl J. Now move it to up. Now this text layer, move it up. Now select these 3 text, move it up. Now see the full image. Now I want to put text for this image. Now choose your text tool. Now make a selection to put text. Control V. This is my text. Now select it. Now click on OK. Now again make a 3 copies of same by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl J. Now choose your move tool, press shift key, okay. Now put these 3 layers to this group. Okay, now I have menu bar, body. Okay, now I will make a footer. To make footer, go to this rectangle tool, I don't want any stroke, fill this color. Okay, choose V tool, right click on here, blending options. Now pattern I want to put okay, click on OK, reduce opacity. So this is fine. Now zoom it. Now I will put text and put meta to this footer. Now firstly I want some effect to this footer. Go to blending options, then in a shadow I want size, it's nice. See the effect. This is before and this is after. Now I will put text to the header. Now choose this tool and make a new guide so that I can make it align. Control V, choose move tool, Control Z. Okay, now put next text to it. Control J, Control J, Control J. Now make a new layer, choose this line 1 pixel, press shift. Okay, I want to change the color white. Firstly I have to inactive the stroke, this white, reduce its opacity to 28. Control J, Control J, Control J. Now right click on one, go to blending options, drop shadow 100, two, 0, one, 2, click on inner shadow, inner glow, sorry, inner shadow. We'll try a white. Leave it. Now right click on here, copy, paste on all layers. Now see the effect. That's nice. Now I will make a new folder, name it footer, footer 1. Now select all these layers, now make a new group. This is called main footer, main footer Okay, now so similarly I have do the same work for this, and this. To make this subscribe button, I have make a rectangle, then make another rectangle inside it, white, then gray, white, then I have put this text. This is my newsletter. This is text. This is text. Now this is one shape, then this is another. Put it serial wise. Now the page is ready, and you can launch this page. So this is the final result, as you can see here. If I zoom it, so this is very nice, beautiful web page. So I hope you have liked this video, and you can subscribe my button, you can subscribe my channel for more updates like this. Thank you friends, keep watching Arviz Creation.